Dear friends, in this video we will see how to analyze data using AI platform that is Julius. So for example, this is my Excel sheet. Okay, this one is the data set which I want to analyze. So here you can see method A, method B and the corresponding values are mentioned. For example, I want to apply t-test on this particular data. One way is that I will import this data in SPSS or PSPP software. But in this video, I will show you how to use AI. Okay, and this one is one more data set just for demonstration. So students' marks are recorded here, and we can apply JET test, T test, or whatever it is. Okay, so we will see how to use AI based platform. So you can see here Julius.ai. This software we will use. Simply we will log in with our Google account or Apple account. You can create your account, and after signing in, we will import this data file, this particular data set. Now you can see this is dashboard or working panel of Julius. Now I will upload that file. So simply upload file, Google Sheet. Okay, I can take data from Google Sheet also. So upload file, you can see upload file, and that Excel sheet I'm uploading here. Once it is uploaded, it will give me multiple options. For example, I want to go for visualization, which particular test I want to apply. So first of all, it has given me the complete data set, preview of complete data. Now I want to apply some test. Okay, so here in this particular chat box, I will write implement t-test on method A and method B in this particular data set. So you can see method A, method B, two attributes are given, and I want to apply t-test. So enter. Now you can see it is implementing t-test on that particular data, and it will give me the results. So along with the results, it is giving me script also if I want to execute this script. So you can see this is t statistic, p value, and this one is Python code. If I want to implement it in Python, or if I want to work with only data analysis part, if I want to get only results, so this one is the output. So you can see performed t-test, this one is result. Now I want to see which particular hypotheses are considered. Okay, on which null and alternate hypothesis above results are fetched, or above results are generated. So you can see that it has generated the plot also. Now this is null hypothesis and this is alternate hypothesis. So by this way you will be able to work with data analytics very easily. Simply upload your Excel sheet, upload your data set, and ask whatever operation you want to perform, whatever test you want to perform. If you want to perform T test, jet test, ANOVA, or frequency test, any test you will be able to implement here. So thanks to all of you. You can explore this platform, Julius.ai.